Hey! Hey, buddy! Playing duck season. I'd rather be playing duck hunt, but sure. Whatever floats your boat. Normal hunter, there for the game. Casual hunter, they're here for fun. Less demand. I'll do medium. No, not cancel. Oh. Oh, no. Hey! There's a kid. That's the same kid. That is a big kid. Wow.
Mom? Help me carry in these groceries. Oh, you got duck season!
Duck season.
1 day rental, so make the most of it.
Oh, I will!
Yeah, I didn't plan on the game being this loud, but okay. Alright. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, loading. Epic. Look at the duck. Look at the duck. Quack, quack, quack. Oh, you don't see it? Oh, that's rough. Alright, cut this then. Cut this part in, I guess. Because can't see it, so. Oh, duck. Yeah. Ew, oh my god. I got a VR chat here.
Instructional VHF.
Hey hunters, it's duck season, so that means we got a lot of first-time hunters out there. I'm going to teach you how to use your shotgun today. All our shotguns come preloaded, so to start shooting, all you got to do is aim it.
That is a dog. Oh,
and
what
pull
is
the
this?
trigger. Now to keep shooting,
Warlock.
all you got to do is
I'm a
place your
Dungeons
hand
and Dragons
on the pump of
man.
the shotgun and rack that baby. Now you got
What?
another round in the chamber, and you're ready to shoot. Just like that. Now, reloading your shotgun is easy. All you gotta do is put your hand out, summon a shell from your box, and put that baby into the chamber underneath the shotgun.
Go.
Pump it one more time, and you're ready to go again. Now, professional hunters, they like to keep their shotgun topped off. So each time you fire off a round and you have a second, you know, put a baby in there. Keep yourself prepared for the amount of ducks that'll be flying at you. They'll be coming from everywhere. From the left, from the right.
Oh,
they're everywhere, man. So I hope you guys learned something. And remember, the first rule of gun safety.
Wait, why is there so many? Why is this house like so old?
It's duck season.
Riot. It's a riot. He's on killing her. Oh my god, hey. Okay. Team Big Game System, I got that. That's what I'm I probably need the gun. Nope. Yep. Play. Loading? Epic. Cut it. Bada bing. Every loading screen I will say, I just wanna cut it. I'll be quiet and not be funny. Duck season, duck season. Oh, Jimmy, it's time for duck season. Oh, you are horrifying already. Jesus Christ, okay. So, align control, pull trigger. Okay. Okay. What? Hello? No, stop. Stop grabbing shells. Okay, I got it. Let's go. Alright. Alright, we're good. Let's go. Hey, dog. Yep, I got guns. Don't worry about it. Let's practice. Yeah! I'm scared to shoot him. I'll probably die. Yep. Okay. Cool. Alright, let me just force grab kills like Star Wars. Luke, I am your father. There we go. I got 15,000 sales. Oh, yep. No, you dumb. What? Hello? Hey, I got him. I got him. I got him. Cool. He went far. My arm's starting to cramp. Okay. Dude, those are some dead. Stop. No. Oh my god. Gun. Yes, I did it. I'm blessed. No, I'm not ready. I gotta reload the gun. Hold on, game. Oh, nope. Okay. Oh, sorry. That's me! That's VR chat. I hate this game. Where's mom? Mom? I'm a little busy. Say I'll eat it, but he seems like the type of person that eats people when he's angry. Reload gun! Hold on, I'm working on it. So good. First try. Hey, game. Fail. I didn't fail. I did it. I don't know what you're talking about. Ugh. Couldn't be simple.
Chuck season instructional VHS tape walk. Hey hunters, it's duck season, so that means we got a lot of first-time hunters out there.
Do I gotta
I'm
do
gonna
it
teach you
again?
how to use your shotgun today. All our shotguns come
I don't like
preloaded,
this
so to start shooting, all you gotta do is aim it
Mom, can we return
and pull
it?
the trigger. Now to keep
Asian,
shooting, all you gotta do is place your hand
Can we
on
return
the pump of the
game?
shotgun
Also,
and rack
why
that
we have
baby.
dog food? We
Now
don't
you
own
got
a
another round in
dog.
the chamber, and you're ready to shoot.
When I see that own a dog,
Just like that.
Yes.
Now, reloading
Whoa.
your shotgun
My God.
is easy. All you gotta do is put your hand out, summon a shell from the box, and put that baby into
Hey,
the
Mom,
chamber
you already
underneath
died.
the shotgun.
I'm shooting.
Pump it one more time, and you're ready to go again. Now, professional hunters, they like to keep their
Oh, I
shotgun
needed that.
topped off.
Oh,
So each
I
time you
don't
fire off a
think
round
I
and you have a
can shoot
second,
again.
you know, put a baby in there. Keep yourself prepared for the amount of ducks that'll be flying at you. They'll be coming from everywhere. From the left, to the right. They're everywhere, man. So I hope you guys learned
That
something.
sounds scary.
And remember, the first rule of gun safety is have fun. Because remember, it's duck season.
Hear a dog barking. Okay. You got a little something. Anyway, let's go. I got the molliest hands a child can have. I love a line. I want the camera. Today in Mom's video camera, I'm gonna be filming Mom walking around like a dumbass. For me saying that, Mom's not gonna let me have duck season anymore. Oh no. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh. Hey, welcome back. You have the greenest eyes I have ever seen. Did you get closer to me? I think you did. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Sure. Okay. I'm not ready. Hey, buddy. Go get some duck. God dang it. Yeah, I did it. Let's go. Can't aim for anything. Oh my god. Hey, we're not gonna talk about that, okay? Cool. Alright, epic. Yeah, I'm the best. Hey, game. God, I cannot play gun games for nothing, dude. Hey, duck. Give me a second. I'm sorry. There we go. No, you stupid duck. hard. I don't know. Y'all fucking get more. Oh, duck. Where are you? I'm going to blast to infinity. Okay. Yeah. God, I am just so incredibly good. I got missed one. Let's go. God, I'm so good. Hey, I did it. It's me! Hello! Oh, what are my fingers? Doesn't even match up to it. Where's mom, bro? Where's Asian? Oh, it's Sean. I have 2 ducks. I don't think that's right. Hey, what was that? There's a white thing. Okay. Duck. Let's go. Hold up, dude. Freaking up. I'm gonna assassinate you. These chickens are sweat. It's a video game. Can this gun hold more shells? Where? Yeah, that would just be too infected. Hold on, dude. I'm working on it. Hey, I did it! Let's go. I did it. I did it! Epic. I did it. Okay. Ugh. You know, this game's terrifying. Duck. Season! Okay, great. Oh, that's a clock. Oh, that's a... Okay. Oh, sure.
Yeah! Duck season!
Oh god, he's real.
I don't know about this.
Hey, I need that ninja sword. Oh, hey, mama.
Awesome!
My arm is breaking. duck is really good at shooting. Not the duck, the bird.
Yeah! Duck season!
What is that picture? Oh my god. Yeah. Level 2? Is that Rick Ashley? Or Eminem? Why is the duck? Why do we have a picture of the duck in our house? Why do we have a picture of Mom? Why do we have a picture of the dog, the family in that commercial? Don't answer me, that's cool. Okay. What is this? Nowhere Midwest. Is that the... Wait. This is the duck season truck. What? Hey, that's a funny cat. Can I play just like anything else? And force grab it. Like Jedi. Battle Bros. I want Battle Bros. Can I reach Battle Bros? No. Anyway, let's do level 2. This level takes a long time. Hey, buddy. Okay. I'm paranoid about that. Can I shoot the sun? Why don't I just shoot the sun? Hey, what happens if I shoot the sun? His shadow's there. I never saw that before. Yeah, I don't think he's a good guy. The duck, I don't think he's a good guy. No, wait, let me shoot the sun. Let's shoot the sun. Oh, there's only one? Okay. I've been getting better, I'd say. Alright, it's fine. Handy dandy, it's okay. But you're not allowed to put... Then I'll take 3 hours just to get one of them. I hate stun. Should've picked easy, that way I wouldn't have to reload. Hit it. Let's go. No, not really. Hold on, wait, what's my ammo? Yep, let it check. 2 keys. 1 shot. Powdery. Oh my god, your body is glitched. I have a feeling that TV is going to play a major part of this game. Just the way the freaking dude looks. I just have a slight feeling. Oh my god. I would eat you for dinner. shot. Okay, I gotta see next. Play a fun game. Let's see if W can hit all of these ducks without wanting to cry. Ugh. I'm so good. I'm so much better. God, I don't trust this TV at all, dude. Hey, wait. This is a movie set. Huh? I don't know. Do you know? I look like VR chat right now. Oh boy, I can't wait to meet some gay furries. Hot dog. Where that dog is going to bust a move at some point. Listen, I know I keep talking about how scary the dog is, but Jesus. Hello? There we go. Hey. There you go. And he's gone. What else left? What's the... I'm crap. No, I'm goated. I'm great. Shot the TV. I'm so go. Alright. I gotta do a lot of editing on this video. This is gonna suck. What? I got a beautiful Asian mother. What? Game. Hey, Mom. Banana. Flashlight. Monsters in the hall. Is it? Gold snack. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, my juice. My gold juice. Inhale. What is this? I know what that is. Not that. That game sucks, donkey. What is this? SCPs. I think girls. Oh, girls, ladies, women. Oh, whoa. You can. Okay. Alright. What's new? Why is it glowing? You want me to do like shoot it? Force. No, you. Oh my god. Okay, I shot it. What's going on, Mom? How's life? Alright, level 3. This game is hard. And I put it on normal. Normal my butt. This is hard mode. I don't care. Hey, buddy. What's going on, kid? Freckles and holes. Am I full? Fat duck? What? Shoot 14 ducks with fat ducks before they explode. Okay. I can try. I guess. That is a humongous duck. I think I failed. Yeah, I know, I failed. That's very nice. This is hard. Huh? But I'm gonna redo it, so what's the point of taking me to a loading screen? Ugh. I'm thirsty. I want some tea. I'm thirsty. Woo. He is in his underwear. I think. 10 miles. A flashlight. It's back. Can I, like, just assassinate my mother here? Haha, mom's dead. Okay. Why did I just hear knocking? I think I was supposed to look at something. Whoops. Oh well. What can you do? Hey, buddy. Hey. You, my friend, are a fly. This is complete. Shoot 10 ducks before 3 escape. Oh my god, okay. Okay. Diggy. That's 2. That's bad. No, oh my god, I hate this freaking game. What if I just turn the gun? This game sucks donkey butt because it's hard to win. Okay. Hey, you know, it'd be funner anything else. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Mom, I want a refund. The game's too hard. Okay. Oh my god, the gun just had a panic attack. Can I still grab it? Okay. Oh, now I can throw things over there. Yeah, okay, cool. What's this? Can I play anything else? Like, am I just stuck to this one game? I'll probably do a one where I just explore secrets. Strange fantasy? What's this about? Can I read it? Nope. You sound great. Your voice, beautiful. Here's a banana. You'll need it, because Dad's not here. Okay, anyway. Level 3. Here we go. Oh my god. So, I'm gonna shoot a gun. That's pretty cool. Oh my god. Oh, but hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey. What's going on? Don't let 10 ducks get past you. Oh, that's... Oh my god, that's a duck. Wait, why is it going forward? Get wrecked. Little busy duck, hold on. Uh-oh. Just whack him. Whack-a-mole. Oh, I did it! So I just have to do all of these apparently. Okay, great. Fine. You know, next time I play this, I'm picking easy. Why did that take so many shells? Hold on. Thing gives you no time to reload, dude. Oh, crap. Hey, we're doing it. That's crazy. Oh my god, that's it. Oh, thank God. Holy Jesus. That sucked. Like crazy. Jesus. Ugh. I hated every second of that. Anyway, I did it. I'm done. Let's go. Very cool. It's 3 o'clock.
There's a new hero adwtale, and to stop the evil Lord Duminox from taking over the world, you need a soldier with the right tools for the job. Blast into action with the new Shadow Cruiser.
I want one.
When Duminox attacks, Lone Wolf strikes back.
Party's over, Duminox.
He's bigger, tougher, and more determined than ever.
He's a hero that was bred for action, but the evil Lord. Everybody dies alone, just surrender to the void. To infinity. Just a sexy little drama walking around.
Lone Wolf figures each sold separately. Box not included.
Okay. Level 4. Am I almost done? Probably not. Jesus, how many levels are there? This game is slow as marbles. Holy cow. Okay, after this level, I'm gonna end it, because holy Jesus, I gotta edit a lot. Hey, dog. Hey, buddy. Hey. What's going on, dude? Hey, dog. Am I shooting ducks normally? Hey, I did it. Let's go. I'm great. My skill has largely improved. We're doing pretty good. Hey, I did it. No, okay. Want some gunpowder? There you go. Trust me, it's really good for that. Really good for your shotgun tail pumping. Oh my god, hello. Hey, I got an achievement. I did it. I don't care. I did it. I'm great. What about this game? It's not horror. This isn't scary at all. I mean, well, a little bit. So, apparently, can I shoot you? Like, straight up. I can't. He just comes back to life. Excuse me? That's not how the game is played. That's not how modern warfare. You can't just come back after a couple keys. If I could, I would. I'd suck at that game. Stupid dog. Come on, no, dog, hold on. We did it! We did it! Let's go! Epic. Okay. I'm so good at the game. Let's go. This game's really easy. No, it's not. This game's hard as crap. Alright, my butt itches. What? Anyway. Oh yeah, didn't I say I didn't hear? It's 4 o'clock. Oh my god, what the? Okay. Hey, yo, Stans. Yeah, what the Oh, no, there's a giant monkey. Hey, it's another thing. Give me the gun. Can I shoot the dog? No. What's under there? Hey, Mom. That's a lot of balls. What? Oh, gun. My gun. I shoot the time. If I shoot this giant monkey up here, I think the game is trying to tell me that there's something wrong. Or just wait for myself. Can I shoot myself? Die, die, die. Die. Oh, you were horrifyingly creepy.
Honey, have you seen the knife?
Okay, why are you asking me for the knife? I feel like there's something bad's gonna happen. Don't say that ever again. Got my truck.
Where did it have gone?
Asian. You look Asian as hell. Oh, here's the knife. Mom, I found it. Found the knife. Here you go, Mom. Knife all your... Mom. Mom, where'd you go? Mom? Oh, that's a funny dancing duck right there, dude.
Of course, it's not over here. Oh, why?
You have... Well, I'm gonna Google search you later. Okay. Mom, where are you going? Mom, I don't feel safe. Mom.
The big cleaver one.
Mom. Oh, Mom.
If you see it, honey, let me
Why
know,
is there an
okay?
angel?
Oh,
Are we religious? Okay. Okay. Hey, wait. If that wasn't the knife, where is the
could have
knife?
gone?
Oh, you mother...